Okay. Is that working?
Yeah.
Why earlier it's not? Why the one earlier I took is not this thing? Where are the camera here? The lens? Is it on the top?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Why how come the eyes of the camera the eyes of the camera is like a shadow? Is it against the light or what? Do you see there's a shadow.
Yeah.
What will I do? Like that. How will do I stop? It's 1 minute and 12 seconds now. I will make a longer video. How will I stop, Matt? Pause here.
Yeah.
Again. Start.
Tita, they want to drop by Primark to buy something. So when we go into town, we're gonna
Primark.
go to Primark. 'Cause they want to.
Alright, okay, that's why we will walk. So we'll take the bus in the town.
Monument.
Yeah.
Maybe like 10 minutes, 5-10 minutes. Can't really take up. It's not convenient. She waits and then like.
And then from there we can go.
What's that? So we'll have to walk going from Central Station to